Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use the Shipt Driver app and you want to go ahead and sign out. Maybe you're logged onto someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt Driver app. Next, you're going to go ahead and click on the hamburger icon on the top left-hand corner. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner again. From this option here, scroll down, and then towards the bottom, you're going to see Log Out. Go ahead and click on Log Out, and it should sign you out of the Shipt Driver app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Shipt Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.